In this lesson, I'll show you how to create a brand new image in Photoshop using only a text prompt. I'll use this text prompt: a serene mountain lake at sunrise, mist rising, photorealistic, warm golden hour light, wide angle 24mm, calm mood, no people, no text. Now, choose the content type, set it to photo. If you want to go into more detail, you can also adjust the effect, style, and composition settings. It completely depends on your preference and the result you want to achieve. But for this example, I'll use only the content type photo. Now, let's generate the image. Photoshop generates 3 image options. As you can see, the result looks great, and it matches the details we described in the prompt. Next, I'll show you how you can enhance your image by adjusting the effect and style options. First, create a new layer, then click on this icon and select Generate Image. For this example, I'll use the following text prompt: minimalist product shot of a matte black wireless speaker on a white pedestal, studio lighting, shallow depth of field, clean commercial style, no logos. Now, let's generate it. Photoshop creates 3 variations, and you can select the one you like best. Next, let's enhance the image further using Effects and Style. Click on this icon, go to Style, and choose the one that fits your design. Then, go to Effects and add the desired effect. Now click Generate, and Photoshop will create new images that combine both the selected style and effects. As you can see, we've got fresh, creative variations with enhanced details and tone. Let's improve it even more. This time, choose a few new effects. Then select a different style. And generate again. And here we go. Photoshop has produced brand new images with richer colors, depth, and lighting. The results look amazing. Remember, the quality of the result depends on how detailed your text prompt is. The more specific and descriptive you are, the closer the generated image will match your vision. If your description is short or vague, Photoshop might generate something slightly different, but that's part of the creative process. So always try to give clear and detailed instructions for the best and most accurate results. Now, let me show you one more method to generate images in Photoshop. First, select the entire canvas by pressing Ctrl+A. Then, click on Generative Fill and enter your text prompt. For this example, I'll use the following prompt: minimalist product shot of a matte white ceramic mug on a marble pedestal, soft studio lighting, shallow depth of field, clean commercial look. When you click on this icon, you'll see several model options, including Adobe Model and Partner Models. Let's start by trying Gemini Nano Banana and generate the image. It gives us a good result, but please note that it provides only one image variation. Next, let's try Flux Context Pro and generate again. This one also produces a great result, but like the previous model, it offers only one variation. Now, let's switch to Adobe Firefly 3. When we generate with this model, Photoshop creates 3 image variations, giving us more options to choose from. Each model produces a slightly different look, lighting, and style. So it completely depends on your preference, which image you like best, and which model gives you the results that fit your creative vision. The Generate Image feature in Photoshop is a powerful creative tool that lets you turn your text prompts into stunning visuals directly on your canvas. You can control every aspect of your generated image, from content type, effect, style, and composition, to even selecting different AI models like Adobe Firefly, Flux Context Pro, or Gemini Nano Banana. Each model produces slightly different results, so it really depends on your creative needs and the kind of look you're going for. Remember, the more detailed and descriptive your text prompt is, the closer Photoshop will match your vision. You can also refine your images further by experimenting with effects, styles, and model choices until you achieve the perfect output. In short, Generate Image gives you the creative freedom to design anything, from realistic product shots to artistic illustrations, all within Photoshop with just a few clicks. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and see how far your imagination can take you.